In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC in Brevo. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to the Brevo website. For those of you who might be unfamiliar, Brevo is a great platform for managing your email contacts and sending emails in a more streamlined, organized manner. Once you're on the website, the next step is to log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, be sure to sign up, but in this tutorial, I'm assuming you already have one. After logging in, you'll need to navigate to the Contacts section. This is where you can access all the contacts you have stored on Brevo. Once you're in this section, find the specific contact you want to email. You might want to use Brevo's search feature to quickly locate the contact's name if you have a long list of contacts. Once you've found that contact, click on their name. This action will take you to their Details page, which contains all the information related to that contact. Now, at the top of this Details page, you should spot an email icon located right above the word Email. Go ahead and click on it. By clicking this icon, you'll be prompted to the Email Composition screen. As you scroll down on this page, you'll find the Normal Attributes tab. Here, you'll want to look for the option that says Plus Add a New Attribute, located towards the bottom of the page. Clicking on this will allow you to start composing your email. In this space, you can fill in the important email fields including to, CC, and BCC. These fields allow you to specify who will be recipients of your email. Make sure you fill in these fields carefully. If you intend to add multiple recipients, you can simply do so by separating their email addresses with commas. This is a handy feature if you need to correspond with more than one person at a time. Finally, enter the subject of your email and start crafting the content you want to send. Once you're satisfied with your email and everything looks good to go ahead and click Send. Brevo will dispatch the email to the recipients you've entered into the To, CC, and BCC fields. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward way to add CC in Brevo and ensure your communications reach the right people. Remember, being organized and attentive when filling in these fields can help prevent any unintended mistakes. Hopefully, this tutorial helps you manage your emails more effectively using Brevo. Thanks for joining me today, and all the best with your email management.